Yeah, from group 2, and the M shopping application we review are Zalora. Half of us use it less than 1 year, and half of us never used this application before. For the part for heuristic 1 and 2, 3 of us think that there is no multiple menu level that allow the user to go back to previous menu, and 1 of us agree with this. Can we know
who is the agree one? Can check for it.
Xiaoqing?
Oh. Wait. What is the question?
Multiple, do the apps have multiple menu level that allow the user to go back to previous menu?
I chose this option is because when I use the app and I need to search for something by using the menu, I need to go inside a multiple page. So I chose yes for this question. And then I need to back every time to go back the previous menu.
I choose no because what I know for the multiple menu level is something like this, which will be a small menu is in the category of the big category, and I can't find something like this in the application, so I choose no. Any other opinion?
No, I agree with Xiu Niang.
Or maybe
it's something misunderstood, right?
Yeah. Maybe I misunderstand the meaning of this question.
Okay, then next. Link label that match the content of destination pages. Only Xiyun choose no. Can I know why?
Can you go back to the question? Thank you.
Link label that match the content on the destination pages.
Well, because when I try to click something, I think I click some labels or click some of the menu, like the Zalora didn't bring me to what I expected pages. Yeah, like like
if you you expect when you click this label, then will go to like page A, but
yeah,
it doesn't.
yeah.
Okay.
So when I think that like something is the link labels, but when I click it, then there is no response. So yeah, so that's why I choose no.
Yeah, I understand.
But when I choose but when I use the Zalora, I think I can understand all the link label, and they also match to the content
Mm-hmm.
that I want to search. Yeah.
Maybe
Any
it's
other
a difference of understanding on the label
way?
thing.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
maybe.
maybe.
To wait for a notification when a task is completed before processing.
Is it column U?
Yeah.
I think that is my answer for now.
Can you talk about your
Why?
opinion?
I not really understand this question, but I think for me, I want to go in for this item. I can just go in and no notification are coming out.
I choose
Oh.
yes because there's some notification or toast pop out when I click something. Like when I click follow, it shows like wait, sorry, I will show you the example I found. Sorry, I think I opened the wrong tab. I think this notification shows when I add the item to the bag and it notify me that I've successfully added it to the bag. So I choose yes.
Oh, okay, I think I missed this notification. We are using these apps.
So we can discuss about the screenshots that we have provide that related to the heuristic 1 and 2.
Okay.
Can you know this screenshot is about? What is the opinion when you upload this screenshot? See you.
Well,
This is For opinion, this is heuristic.
I think
Yeah,
it's
heuristic.
recognition.
Yeah, recognition rather than recall.
Heuristic.
I think because when I search for something, it will suggest although I just type in one alphabet and it will suggest the item for me.
Yeah.
So I think you should screenshot this search
Okay.
option here.
And this is
it? Also screen.
Yeah, this one is about the second heuristic tool, user control freedom. So I screenshot this because of when I want to cancel an item in the backlist, so I can easily to delete it. So when I delete it, it will pop up a notification to ask me whether I want to remove or move it to the wish list. So I think it fulfill the heuristic tool.
okay. I understand. And this is
Yeah, the before just now.
it's also.
Yeah, the same. It's the same.
Thank you. For my opinion, I think it's provide the the navigation clearly, so we know it. All the button is labeled clearly, so we
Is
know.
it heuristic one?
Yeah, heuristic one.
Okay.
Same with this. This is like just now what said by.
Yeah, I think we have same point.
Uh, I think this is because
Screenshot number 4.
I think it's the user control and freedom, as it provides the option to edit what to control or edit the things.
Okay.
And this is also the heuristic tool.
Okay.
Xiaoqing?
Wait. I think this screenshot is because I want to show the search bar. Can you next? Yeah. I have screenshot few for the same heuristic. A few same picture. This is the same tool because I try to search for something and this is the result. Yeah.
Okay, understand.
Mm.
I think this is for all the heuristic 1 and 2
Okay,
example.
so we continue.
With heuristic 3 and 4. Yun, can you talk about why you choose no?
Because I didn't find some shortcuts in it. I didn't find out what is the shortcuts for the Zarua app when I use it.
But when I use when I add something to the back, and the button will change into go to the back. So I think that is a shortcut for us. So no need we
Oh.
previous to the menu and click the back button. Yeah, that is
Okay, understand.
my point.
Maybe it's because of our familiarity to the apps.
Yeah.
This is Xiaoqing.
It's me. Yeah.
Any advanced search option? I choose yes because there's filter function so that we can filter the items search according different aspects.
I think on this question I have also misunderstand or not really understand, so I just choose no. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
The last one is the last one is 互相. Question is
I choose
to move forward and backward between fields and options.
field. I think it can move forward and backward because when I choose the other item that suggested, I can go in and I can go back to the item choose before. So I think it can be move forward and backward. Is this okay?
Yeah, okay, understand. For me, I chose yes. I chose no because it like for other app, we can just like select left to go backward, but for Zarura cannot. Yeah, so this is the reason why I choose no.
Yeah, for me, I think it can able to move forward, but I
It
found how
like
it moves
hard
back.
to move backward. Yeah.
Can move backward, but hard to move forward. We can move backward
After
using back, but
Okay.
after the explanation of Fu Xiang, I think I agree with him.
actually I still a bit confused about this question. I not really understand what it means. So
It's okay. Let's move on.
Yeah, we already heard everyone's opinion. I think just move on. Okay.
heuristic.
Is the heuristic tree. Yeah, I choose this screenshot for is because like it really match between the system and reward because maybe some of the user is maybe in Singapore, then they can change their location and inside the system will automatically change into like Singapore dollar. So for Malaysia, then it will show Malaysian like Malaysia ringgit. So for this, I choose it for heuristic tree.
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah.
So this one is for heuristic 4 because if we want to uh, find something, find some items based on based on price or based on some brand, yeah, so we can more easily to find it. So I think this filter function is really flexible and very efficient to use it.
The next is, I think I take the same example.
Okay. Same thought.
I think I took this because I think it is flexible as we can edit the information, and if we make it mistake or what, we can just cancel it without saving it.
Okay.
Xiaoqing?
I told this screenshot is because I want to show the icon and words is fulfill the heuristic tree that is match between system and the real world because it is easy to understand. Yeah. And this is the flexibility, the heuristic for because it can log in using Facebook or Google or your email. So this is the flexible for user to log in and register for Zalora. This is the register screen. Yeah.
Okay, I think that's all for this question.
I didn't see any help function beside the item or choose or the
I choose
or
yes because I saw the help topics in the FAQ session there.
Yeah, I have same
Yeah, same.
result with Sunyang. So I choose yes too. So I think for this question is yes in Zalora.
So Qing, alternative for people who cannot comprehend the language of use. I choose yes because there are options for us to choose what language to be used in this application.
Because I have seen see that the language only Bahasa Malaysia and English. So and for the location have many
Hong Kong and Taiwan,
other
right?
country. So I chose no because I think maybe other country is not familiar with English or Malay.
I also agree.
Example, Hong Kong or Taiwan people.
Maybe more language should be provided for
Yeah.
the user.
For Zalora.
Next is me. I choose no because if I search something which is not available, the search result will be no result found, and there will be no suggestion which shown when I test it. Any other?
But I have tried to search for something that maybe not available in Zalora. It will show wait
The suggestion, right? Other suggestions of the item.
it will didn't show the suggestion, but it will have the guidance to return the.
Oh yeah, have
It will guide you return to the search bar to search again or what. It have the message.
Oh, I saw that message. Maybe I forget the question asked for suggestion or guidance. I just remember the suggestion, so I just know.
Okay.
This is
for this question, right? Because I not really know what the question asked, so I just chose no.
From my understanding, it like if we enter some like if we enter some words or some character, it will have limitation or not. Yeah, maybe like some of app like just limit us to type in about 20 characters. Yeah, I think the
So
question
Zara don't have the limitation, right?
no.
Oh, okay.
okay. I agree with you. I misunderstand I not really understand the meanings when I
I
do.
also not sure for the question, so I just chose no.
I think it should be no after I tell the explanation. So let's move on to the photo session.
Okay, for this, because they are FAQ and contact us in this my account, right? So I think it fulfill the heuristic 5, yeah, can help the user to solve their problem. And this one is, I think it fulfill the heuristic 6, because if I want to search something, like maybe I do not remember the spelling, or yeah, maybe for someone that not familiar with English or Malay, so maybe I just enter one word or some some characters inside, so it will like show me the suggestion. So maybe for this will prevent me to search something that not under my expectation. Yeah.
But the heuristic 6 is error prevention. So
Yeah.
this screenshot is heuristic 5 or 6.
6, yeah, error prevention. Like in my opinion, like when I search, so it will show the suggestion for me to prevent me having spelling mistakes. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
maybe we spelling wrongly, so maybe the Zara will bring me to another product. Yeah.
okay, understand.
Maybe some of the words are hard to spell. Yeah. So I think I choose it for the heuristic 6. Yeah.
Okay.
This I choose it because it is the help documentation, which is the heuristic 5.
Okay.
I choose this because I think the document is also heuristic 5, like all the documentation, like the details and information are
Clear.
yeah.
I chose this screenshot is because the heuristic 6 is error prevention. Because before you remove the item, it will show the dialog and ask you, are you sure to remove the item?
This is also same with
Heuristic. This is the heuristic 5 help and documentation.
this is also this is also help and documentation.
This screen is the chat with us.
This is the help topic, so it's also the heuristic.
It's the same.
Okay, that's all for this. Next. Xiaoqin, can I know why you choose not available?
I have not sure for this question.
I choose yes because like the example I've shown just now, when like you click add to back, the notification pops out. Is the notification for me, the notification is like a feedback that shows So the user, if it is an error that user make, it could see the feedback.
Oh, okay. Now I understand. Okay. For this, I click no. I chose no is because not every action that I perform, it will have the clear description.
I understand.
For example, in the back, it have too many information, and I think it is not clear description for me. So I choose no.
Opinion from who choose yes?
I think when I click something, I can get the clear description. Like,
Or maybe I also not familiar with the app because I just use less than 1 year and not always use it. Yeah.
Maybe
So maybe I have confused about that.
the rest we have all the same opinion.
Yeah, so we continue with the photo.
this one I choose it for the visibility of system status. Heuristic number 7, right?
Yeah. Because there is visible change.
Yeah.
Can you follow the trend?
When I want to follow it, then it will change the color and change the word. Yeah, so this is why I choose it for the heuristic 7. So for this one, I choose it for the heuristic 8 because I think the design is really simple and really tidy. So when I firstly saw this design, so I think it's really
comfortable.
Yeah, and can easily understand.
I agree with you.
Sure.
I choose this for the heuristic 7 because of the favorite button and following button. If I already follow it or favorite it, it will have a visible change. So I know this is what I have been favorite or follow.
Okay. This is because it will show the loading process when I refresh or click some button.
So this is heuristic 7.
Yeah. And the loading ways is different. Yeah, for this example also, the loading button is 3 dot like this. Yeah. This is heuristic 8. Because the icon is very, I think it's same with Siu Nyang opinion.
Mm.
The
Mm.
button and
Mm.
the design is clear and easy to understand
Mm.
for here. This is continue with,
Just now.
yeah, same with just,
This is also.
yeah, also the same.
So next is this is because the text box that need to be changed specifically. This is because when I try to add the address and I try to key in alphabet in the postcode field and it will show postal code is not valid. It will change when I submit. So I choose this. I'm also not sure is this one is what it means.
Maybe, yeah. I didn't realize it that about the postcode.
Oh, me too.
So maybe it's because I tried it.
Because I chose no because when I need to enter the postcode, my keyboard will automatically just change to the number keyboard. So I think I will not key in wrong. So I chose no.
Or because I'm not sure why, but the
Maybe phone
Different phone.
the keyboard I for my when I testing the keyboard show number keyboard when I add location in the back there, but at the account there when I add new address at the details, it doesn't show number keyboard. Maybe
I think I understand your.
maybe it's
Yeah,
the
I
design of
understand.
the application. It
Yeah.
consistent. For the next one,
For this, I just know because I not really know what is the navigation assistant, but I didn't found any similar function, so I just know.
any opinion from? Yes.
I think the navigational assistant is shown in the home page that the product is suggested by the application. I think.
So Fuxiang, do you have other opinion?
Uh,
Oh, I remember why I chose yes. Because when I search for a product, I didn't need to click inside and then I can just add to back when it is just how to say if I didn't care about the review or description of the product, and I can just see the picture and I can add to back
Instantly, yeah, right.
directly. Yeah. So I didn't need to click in the product and add to back.
Can reduce the steps.
Yeah.
I think the next one, I choose not available because I didn't see it notify me which technologies or version are required for any function I perform.
This one is not about the if you want to upgrade the version, then will show the notification. I'm misunderstanding the question.
I also same with Suyun. I think that when the app needs to upgrade or what, it will show the notification. But I didn't experience it yet for this function.
Also because I saw the version like in my account there, the bottom there I've got version like version 11 point something.
Maybe because I using the latest version, so I not sure because I'm not able to update it anymore. The next, the others, we have the same opinion. Then we move to the screenshot.
For this, I chose it for heuristic 9. So when I try to enter a fake voucher number, yeah, so it will show a red exclamation mark, and will show the red test under it lah, like the Lazada, the Zalora, sorry, the Zara will tell me they didn't find any promo code. Yeah, so you ask me to remove it.
So
Okay.
it helps the user to recognize the error.
Yeah. For this is about the heuristic 10. So when I try to enter my birth date, so it will directly go to the Google Calendar, right? This one. So after I choose, so the format will be standardized. Like yeah, maybe other apps will like from month, date to year. Then this one maybe from date, month, year. So it will standardize and will not get something wrong in the birthday.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is heuristic 9, like what I said before. If I key in the postcode wrongly, like I key in the alphabet, it will change, like tell me postal code is not valid, and it will pop out a message like to guide me and help me recognize and change my error.
Okay.
For this is I think it's heuristic then, because the button or icon is same.
It's consistent for every.
Yeah, for every product and every screen. This is for heuristic 9. There is the forget password option. Provide to user to request new password if they have forget their password. Yeah.
Oh, this is continue with the.
Yeah, yes. I think this is the heuristic 10
for the color and layout, is it?
Yeah, the almost is, I think all is black, but for the important information or show the item in the back, it will use red in color. Or other important information in Zalora also will use red color.
I agree with you. That's all from this question. Let us move on. System security. Xiaoqing.
I think because this Zalora app no need to like need our important information, like personal information. Is it for this question? Is it like
You mean that this apps doesn't take the information, the important
because I
information?
think for other apps I have been experienced some it will ask for user IC or what, like for Zalora it no need for this information. So
I think I understand what you mean.
but I also not really sure for this.
I think I agree with you after I hear your explanation, because the personal information that required for the Zalora application is just email address and
Name and
the
phone.
name.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other opinion, or we proceed to the next one?
No, same thought with you.
Searching security measures to protect users' privacy.
I think it's same with just now what I said, because it no need to like identity confirmation.
like the
option.
IC number.
Yeah,
to
it
confirm
in Zalora no need user to don't have this option. So so the answer should be yes, right?
security measures to protect users' privacy, such as. You just know because you don't think it have the identity confirmation option.
So I think it no security measure to protect user. It no need.
It's like same with
I
this
think
one
it's
because
no need this feature.
I agree with you. I agree with your explanation.
Yeah. Okay.
Any other opinion?
No, I agree with Xiao also.
The comment section.
Because
Okay.
I thought I thought it like the question is asked about the password. So I choose yes, but after Xiaoqing her explain, then maybe I should choose no. Yeah, I agree with you.
We proceed to the next one. Comment section. This is what I think. Like this is because when we browsing the products, like I choose the category clothing and shirts or others, I can't just back to the category session without clicking back. I cannot, if there's a breadcrumb, I can just click on the breadcrumb to go to other screen faster with lesser step lah, what I think. For now, need to back one by one.
Yeah. Okay.
And any other comment?
For comment section, I didn't respond because for Zalora, I think it is for me it is already good. So no need to any suggestion. But I have seen your comment. I think it is also suitable.
I comment this breadcrumb navigation because I think the steps to back to the
No need back so
first
many
page
times.
is too many steps. If there's breadcrumb, we can just complete it in one step.
Oh, okay, understand. I agree with you too.
Any other opinion or comments?
No, I think no.
Then that's all for the review meeting.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.